everybody wastes money. What they waste it on is different for everyone. But what I want to do is show you a sales track that I like to use to help people waste less, save more for their future, get some death benefit, and set up a nice tax-free retirement income. So if you're everybody that you talk to on the phone every day, you ought to be adding this. After chit-chatting, say, Bob, I want to ask you a question. Don't tell me what you wasted on, but about how much would you say you waste each month? Now, the client might say 500, 1,000, 5,000, whatever the number may be. He may also say, I don't know what you mean by waste. Well, Mr. Client, that's up to you, but on whatever it means to you, about how much would you say you think you're wasting each month? Now, once you get that answer, the only other question you want to ask him, if you don't already know this, is what year was he born? Now, what I'd like to do, Mr. Client, is get together next week because I want to show you something that you're going to be very pleasantly surprised about. Now, let's assume in our example, the client said he was wasting $1,000 a month. So what's going to happen is this. Again, I want to repeat the wording. Don't tell me what you spend it on, but how much would you say you waste every month? That is the specific words you want to use. And again, using the example of he said he wasted $1,000 a month, what we're going to do is take half of that amount, or $500, which is $6,000 a year, representing the year one premium. If he was wasting $1,000 a month, that's $12,000 a year. We're going to take half of that, or $6,000, and that's going to be the premium. Now that $6,000 becomes the year one premium. We're going to grow that premium by 3% a year as an assumed plan premium. People that are doing the inputs of these illustrations know how to grow the $6,000 by 3% per year. Policy income, typically age 66 through age 85, always minimum death benefit. Commissionable target, typically 50% of the first year premium. So if a person is going to put in $6,000, this is going to generate a $3,000 target and take you about 2 total hours from beginning to end. This happens to be an illustration with Pacific Life, where we took the $6,000 a year premium, grew it at 3% per year, and put in $161,000 of total premium from age 45 to 65. He got about $170,000 death benefit. But what's interesting about it, it was going to be large enough to actually generate $20,000 a year of projected annual tax-free income from age 66 all the way through age 84. Pretty great payout for taking half of what he wastes. It can literally be that extraordinary a return for the client. So, and when you look at the end results, he put in $172,000 that he would have wasted over that period of time. And he took out $172,000 of withdrawals to basis and another $227,000 of tax-free income on top of that. Ladies and gentlemen, it's half of what you waste. Everybody you talk to on the phone, all you've got to do is say, hey, Bob, I want to ask you a question. Don't tell me what you spend it on, but about how much would you say you waste every month? And watch how you'll generate another $250,000 of target premium over the next 12-month period. Good luck.